first shot.
All right, here's the damage. It looks like it just stripped the bark right off the stump. It didn't take the stump out. All right, we got one more chance. We got a 2-pounder.
All right, you boys are always coming out here, blowing things up, making a mess of all your rounds. Today, let me show you how it's done. We got 2 pounds of Tannerite down there. Let's get it done. Huh. I can't even get around in the chamber. Let me show you how it's done now.
Safety's on too.
Yeah.